Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Thank you to everyone who voted on that quick poll I just put out for like only 20 minutes or so, asking you what to open today. As you already know by the title, and right here, we're opening up Ipsy for February. So yeah, February is here already. Freaking crazy. And the bags are super cute this month, of course, Valentine's Day themed. So here is what the Ipsy Glam bag looks like. And it has a heart. That's so cute. Oh, is it red on one side? I didn't know that. So it has this color right there, and then on the back it says Ipsy. Super cute. And then the back is a solid pink. And then for the plus bag, it says, self-love is the best love. I love this. I feel like self-love has been coming up a lot in tarot readings I'm doing. It totally makes sense now I think about it. February should be about love, starting with loving yourself. But okay, I'll just stop the cheesiness now before I keep going. But let's see what they say here. So the theme is you are loved. Buy yourself flowers, wear a fragrance that makes you smile, give yourself a compliment for trying that new lip color. This is created by designer Dime Jones. This month bag is a reminder that you deserve to be spoiled because self-love is the best love. Oh, cool. Have we had designers like specified at least for the bags before? And then got some stuff there. But yeah, let's get started. What one should we start with? So we're going to do, obviously, oh my God, it says something right here too. Sorry, self-love is the best love, it says in the bottom. But yeah, we're going to do a little unboxing. And then for reviews for the month prior, there's like one item I've been using like every day. I don't have a lot to say. But we'll talk about that, and then also maybe a little talk about a giveaway. But let's get started with the Ipsy Glam bag. Love this. So cute. I really love the heart, that little touch. And I love that it says that on both the bags. I thought it was just a big one. So this one is what, $12? And I always am afraid I'm getting the prices wrong. They all like change by a couple dollars. But anyways, I think it's $12. And I highly recommend this, especially for people just like wanting to start out in the beauty boxes, because it's, again, only $12, which is like one of the most affordable beauty subscriptions there is. And you get some full-size items in there, which I see there's at least one. So I'm just going to pour out the items and let's get started. So you get 5 items. You can customize one each month. And by the way, I will link Ipsy down below. I do get this sent to me free for review. So grateful. It's thanks to you guys. I love you so much. But I don't have an affiliate link, or there's no sponsorships or anything like that. So I'm just going to link the regular website down below if you're interested in subscribing. But we have a full-size mascara here, and this is by Dime. I don't know if this has anything to do with the creator. What was the designer? Dime Jones created the bag design, but I've gotten this before. I don't know if it was this exact mascara, but I got it in like a cruelty-free beauty box by Bombay and Cedar. It came with like this, and then like a primer, or not a primer, like a, what do they call that when like it helps your lashes grow or something? I don't know. Like serum for your eyelashes? I don't know. But I can't remember what I think about this. So this is their Only the Good. Is that what it's called? Or they only have good ingredients. So yeah, it's vegan, sulfate-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free, sustainable. So I love that. I'm not going to open it because I don't like to open more than one mascara at a time. And yeah, I might go into a giveaway. Next, I think this might be the first time we've gotten Clinique in our Ipsy bags. This reminds me of my parents so much. When I was growing up, they always had this. Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. So this is definitely going to my parents. Is the lighting weird? I feel like it's been off, so I put on a more of a warm tone light, and normally it's like more neutral or cool. And I just held this up. I'm like, this looks even more yellow than it does in real life. But yeah, my parents love this. I share my skincare with my parents all the time, so this will be going to them. Reminds me so much of my youth. And then by Saturday Skin, oh, I've gotten this before in the past. I like it. Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. I'm excited about this. I've liked all the Saturday Skin products I've tried, actually. I got this a long time ago, and I really did enjoy it. So you just apply this after your moisturizer at night and leave on overnight for 3 to 5 days a week. So I'm trying to get better about my skincare. I was kind of like neglecting it for a little bit, like being lazy with my nighttime, like just using like my cellar water quick and stuff. I did a face mask today, which we'll talk about at the end, a little review for that. But yeah, I want to start doing more like overnight treatments and more skincare at night, pretty much. I'm pretty good during the day, but yeah. Anyways, by Grown Alchemist, I like this brand. I haven't had them or had anything from them in a while. Gentle Gel Facial Exfoliant, or Gentle Gel Facial Cleanser. made with geranium leaf, bergamot, rosebud. This is a cute little bottle. Nice. I think I had a moisturizer from them for a long time ago. Was it in FabFitFun, maybe? But anyways, awesome. I'm excited about that. I could use a new cleanser because I like just use one from like the shower to my sink. I feel like I'm like oversharing. Whatever. We're just going with it today, okay? So yeah, I could use one just in each location. Pink Lips is the brand, and this is Cherry Bomb. I've never tried this brand. Cool. This looks pretty. Let's see if I can get it open. If I can, I'll swatch it. If it takes me longer than like 2 seconds, we're gonna move forward. Do you like my nails? I love them so much. So yeah, I don't wanna risk. Oh, I got it. My nails look like they could match this. So is it a gloss or a liquid lipstick? I think it's a liquid lipstick. I don't smell anything. Ooh, that is red, and I'm actually really excited to put that on. I haven't been as experimental with my makeup. I usually wear like the same stuff like every day. So this is inspiring me. So that was everything that came in the Ipsy Glam bag. We got full-size mascara, this like a mini liquid lipstick, and this beautiful red color. And then we got some lotion by Clinique, which I'm pretty sure is a first-timer in Ipsy. Correct me if I'm wrong. The Zuzu Overnight Cream by Saturday Skin, and the Grown Alchemist Cleanser. I think that's totally worth the $12. I'm super excited about that. Let me know your thoughts. But let's move on now to the Ipsy Plus. So the Ipsy Plus, you get 5 full-size items, and you get to customize 3 out of the 5 if you want to. You can always just not customize it and have it all be a surprise. So is a surprise for me. Ooh. Okay, so one of the things in here, I think this might have was meant to be in the Ipsy Glam bag. This is something you would expect because sometimes they get mixed up with PR bags. They like come outside the bag and I just put them in. So it's me. But you get full-size brushes, like single brushes in the Ipsy Glam bag usually, which I consider to be a full-size item. And this is so freaking cute. Look at the handle on this. Oh my God, what is this? This is by SL Miss Glam. It's the angled brush GB01. Yeah, I should have known by the little gemstones there. So it's like a little contour brush, or you can use it however you want, really. But a face brush. Super cute. I love how this looks, and I want it so bad, but I'll probably put this in the giveaway because I told myself no more brushes. So this will probably be one of yours. I'm actually going to get one. Okay. And then, I'm excited to see what this looks like. We have a Beauty Bakery palette, and it says, do it for the gram. So in the back it says, this will have you begging gimme gimme s'more with 12 foil, matte and duochrome powdered cream, ice cream shade? Huh. Let's take a look. So that matches. And then, ooh, I didn't know what to expect. There's some blues here. Let me take this off. This is really pretty. It looks like there are 5 mattes and the rest shimmers. What do you guys think? I'm gonna change the light, I think. Is this what it looks like in real life? Hold one, please. I have to lean forward to go to. Oh, okay. I think that's more accurate. Yeah. Yeah, that's much better. Ooh. I have to. That means I have to try. Oops, did I even do that right? Try to do it so you can see. So that looks more like a topper shade, maybe. That was like the worst area to swatch in. Okay, let's just swatch a couple. Ooh, I like this one. Looks cool. Like a burnt orange type. Yeah, I like that. And one more. Let's see. Sorry, I should probably just do full swatch now that I just started to. I'm clearly not a professional swatcher. Oh, That's super pretty. Okay, one more, one more. um, blue. I'm not much of a blue eyeshadow wearer, but ooh, it's not too. It looks more like periwinkle. Fun. So here it is again. I don't mind that it doesn't have a mirror. They're actually like really hard to like dispose of or for the environment and stuff when it comes to like garbage you can't recycle. Plus I usually don't use them. I usually just use my mirror and my little vanity mirror I have. Okay. Cute. I could just sit here and look at this forever. Okay, but yeah, I will let you know next month how this works on my actual eyes. You will be seeing me wear that because I've been wearing the same eye product every day. I am excited to switch it up. Yay. Okay, let's move forward. Next up, ooh, Dr. Brandt Hydrating Essence. Tone, Soothe, Revitalize. You know, that's one skincare step I haven't been using is Essence. Maybe I'll start incorporating this. Is this cruelty-free yet? There was like a big announcement that a lot of brands that were only sold in China, like they're changed some laws. I need to look into it more. That just reminded me. But I know they were considered not to be cruelty-free, Dr. Brandt, at some point, at least. So yeah, if anyone knows, leave a comment, please. Thank you. Close your eyes and spray evenly. So it's a spray essence. Usually they're like, you just put it in your hand, you know, tap, tap, tap it in. But I don't know. I went to Topgolf the other day. It was so fun, but it had me thinking of Happy Gilmore, which I was just quoting, kind of. It was fun. I like sucked, especially at first, because I've never golfed before. But even if you're never golfed, it's super fun. I would highly recommend going if you've been wanting to. One opened up really close to where I live in Fort Myers, so cool. So this is by Queen or Queen. I've gotten this brand before. It's the Qveen. This is their Dragon Duo Liquid and Wax Pencil Dragon Liner Kit. Oh, I'm almost done with their brow gel. I need a new brow gel, and it has the same design. I was just wondering today what brand it was. Now I know. So this is a liquid. I don't know if I'm open this one. So we have yeah, okay, cool. We have two different eyeliners. We have the gel here and then the liquid. I like their packaging a lot. I feel like everything's being really reflective. Can you see? There's like little, I don't know what it is, but I like it. So awesome. And are we in the last item? I think I forgot an item once recently. But yeah, I think this is the last item. This is by MOTD, Makeup of the Day. I think it's what it stands for. I don't know. MOTD Blush Duo. Oh, I hope it's cream, but we'll see. In pink lace. I'm open to trying new things. I'm being more open-minded this month. That's one of my goals. Instead of doing the same thing all the time. I'm like, I miss makeup. And like, I was giving away a lot and I don't subscribe to a lot of beauty boxes anymore. So things expire. So my makeup collection's like dwindling and I'm like, oh my God. I'm like, so I might resubscribe to like BoxyCharm. I don't know. If you guys have any recommendations, I'm not in the loop of like new releases and what's cool and what's great. Even though I should be because I create content like this. I just haven't really been on YouTube. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions. And can I open this, please? I'm just going to rip it. Oh my God, is this a really cute... Oh. Look, it has like a little opener like this. I don't know why that's so cute. Let's see. So we take this out. It looks like a boob. Why did I whisper that? It's a boob. And it's powder, but that's okay. Like I said, so there's like in the middle, like the nipple, the areola is just like matte, and then around is a shimmer. Let's do a little swatch. I'm gonna do. Okay, my fingers are kind of dirty still. But... Can you even see it? Hold on, let me try and. Which is a good thing. If I'm saying, can you even see it? That means it's good for my skin tone. It's just like right there, which is good. And I think it's buildable. Let me do a little bit more. Let me just rub that in. Okay, I'd stop. I'm gonna get like demonetized for Yeah, you can build it up. Sorry for the terrible swatches. It's been a hot minute, but I'm excited for the boob blush. It's so cute, actually. Be you, only better. There's a little quote on top, you know. I'm a cheesy bitch these days. I love it. Boob. Okay. So that was everything, you guys. Overall, I think this is really good. I'm really excited because there's a lot I'm going to be trying. But don't worry, there's still going to be a giveaway for you guys. By the way, the giveaway for January in that last Ipsy, so the January Ipsy video ends the day after I'm posting this video. So you still have time, but there's also going to be a giveaway in this video. But first, before I talk about that, I forgot. So my little mini reviews of what I've tried last month. So last month, most items are going to be given away. I think there's like one other skincare item I kept for myself, and it's in my bathroom. Wait, was there a lipstick or something I kept? Was there a lip gloss? I really like it. I use it all the time. The lip gloss I got last month, I really do enjoy. Sometimes I'll put it over the lipstick, or I just use lip liner and use that. But today I put on a lipstick by Stray Cat Cosmetics that I got in brown paper packages. But I really like that lip gloss that I got. I can't remember what the brand is, I'm sorry, but it was in the last video. And I've been using this Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost, like this gel moisturizer every day, and I've been enjoying it. Works well, like it a lot. Feels nice and cooling. I shower like after I work out, so I'm like a little hot still after I shower, and this is like a gel, so it feels kind of cool and nice when I put it on after. And then I tried this for the first time today. I didn't even realize I was filming Ipsy, but I saw it in my drawer, I'm like, because I wanted to do a mask. And I was really excited to see it. So this is the Hey Honey Sweet Treat Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recovery Mask. And this is one you leave on for 15 minutes and then just wipe away the excess. But mine all like, it just absorbed, but it kind of felt like it was pilling a little bit. So I just like took a damp towel and just kind of went over it. And then I put this moisturizer on afterwards, and there was no pilling at all. And I put on my makeup and stuff like that. And there was no issues. But I think it did a good job at hydrating. I like the masks that you don't have to wash off, like the sheet mask and stuff like this, because I'm a lazy girl. So this was nice. I'm going to keep using it. I'll probably use this a couple days a week. I honestly forgot about it. And now that I know it's so easy to use, I don't have to actually like spend 30 seconds washing my face, then I'm excited about it. So yeah, sorry that's not the most extensive or detailed or like a lot of things to review from last month, but that's what I got for you. And now the giveaway. So again, if you're watching this in real time and you haven't entered the other giveaway, go check that out next. But if you're new to my channel or new to these giveaways, every single month I pick a subscriber at random, and I send like a USPS priority mailer full of stuff as a thank you to you guys. I'm so grateful for all your support, and this is my way to give back to you each month. So main thing you have to do to enter is be a subscriber, because this is a giveaway for my subscribers to give back to you for all your support and love. I'm being really repetitive now. Like this video and then leave a comment, and you can come back and comment every day if you want, and just write anything. You can let me know if you get Ipsy, what your favorite item in mine, just to give you some ideas. You can literally write anything. You just be like, hey, what's up? Let me know how you're doing. Like, I don't know. What beauty boxes you suggest? That's like any question I've asked, because I feel like I'm always asking you questions throughout this. But yeah, so what I'll do at the end of February, so on wow, it's crazy. So in March 1st, I will pull up the video, and then I'll use a random comment generator, and it will go through all the comments on the video and pick a winner at random. And I'll just make sure you followed the rules, that you subscribed and like the video and commented all that. Of course, you commented because your name was drawn. And yeah, I'll pin your comment, and I'll also post in the community tab letting you know that you won, and you have 48 hours to get back to me with your information. I'll ship it out to you right away, and if I don't hear back, then I will pick another winner. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. Sorry, I haven't filmed in like 5 days. I feel like I'm really off. Like, I had a friend in town. It was super fun, but like, if anyone makes videos and stuff like that, really, if you do anything in life, when you don't do it for a little bit and then you do it again, you're like just even more awkward than you were to begin with. But anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling. Thank you guys so much for being here. I love you so much, and I hope you're well. I'm so grateful for you. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.